How cloud computing powers your everyday life. Cloud computing is the foundation of many of the digital services we use on a daily basis. It makes life more connected, efficient, and convenient by enabling the storage and access of data and apps via the internet rather than local hardware. In this video, we will go through 7 ways cloud computing powers your everyday life. Number 7. Streaming services. When you view a movie on Netflix, watch a TV show on Disney+, or listen to a Spotify playlist, cloud computing is behind the scenes, coordinating the whole experience. These services, which typically use providers like Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud, or Microsoft Azure, house petabytes of digital content, including movies, TV series, songs, and podcasts on distributed cloud storage systems. Content delivery networks are a global network of data centers that reproduce and store this content at various places. To reduce latency and avoid buffering, when you press play, the file is streamed from the closest or fastest server. Additionally, the cloud uses adaptive bitrate streaming to dynamically change the stream quality, such as from 480 pixels to 4K, based on your current internet speed. Furthermore, AI algorithms located in the cloud examine your viewing habits across devices to suggest fresh material and maintain your interest. Real-time processing even includes data on user pause, stop, and replay times to help with ad targeting, production choices, and platform enhancements. These services would not be scalable for millions of concurrent users with low latency performance and personalized experiences without cloud computing. Number 6. Social media. Social media platforms are among the most data-intensive online spaces available, and their ability to operate at scale is largely dependent on cloud computing. Users create and consume millions of pieces of material per second, including images, videos, stories, reels, posts, likes, comments, and shares. Cloud-based distributed file systems that can grow horizontally to handle billions of files and media objects house all of this data. The content is retrieved from cloud servers and tailored to your location, device kind, and connection speed as you browse through your Instagram feed or watch TikTok videos. Behind the scenes, cloud-hosted AI and machine learning algorithms evaluate your interactions in real time to prioritize content from specific individuals, curate your feed, and display relevant advertisements. In addition to cloud-hosted natural language processing engines that instantaneously translate articles and comments into your choice language, sophisticated cloud-based image and video recognition systems can automatically identify objects, individuals, and unlawful content. Even moderation teams and AI algorithms that eliminate dangerous or fraudulent content rely on cloud infrastructure that can continually and efficiently process enormous amounts of data. Number 5. Online storage. Cloud-based storage services like Apple iCloud, Dropbox, Microsoft OneDrive, and Google Drive have completely changed the way we work together, save, and share digital data. In contrast to conventional storage techniques that used physical hard drives or USBs, cloud storage uses distant servers spread over several different countries to house your data. A document or photo that you upload is instantly duplicated and dispersed throughout multiple data centers to guarantee redundancy, data durability, and availability even in the event of regional outages or hardware failure. Strong cryptographic standards are used to encrypt these files while they are in transit and at rest, guaranteeing security and anonymity. When you use cloud computing, you can access your files from any internet-connected device, and any changes you make on one device will quickly sync with all of the others thanks to background syncing services. The cloud is essential for both people and teams because it facilitates collaboration capabilities, including version history, real-time co-editing, commenting, and user authorization settings. Cloud storage is compatible with enterprise platforms like Slack, Salesforce, and Zoom, and conforms with ISO/IEC 27001, GDPR, and HIPAA regulations for enterprises. Number 4. Email and communication. Modern communication platforms and email systems rely heavily on cloud computing's scalability, security, and dependability. Instead of keeping your emails on a local computer, services like Gmail and Outlook save them in the cloud, where you can access them at any time, from any location, on any device. In order to distribute traffic and guarantee almost instantaneous delivery, cloud email servers use real-time load balancing to manage hundreds of millions of user accounts. Intelligent machine learning models operating in the cloud manage features like spam filtering, virus scanning, and auto-categorization. Cloud computing powers real-time streaming technologies that enable low-latency voice, video, and screen sharing on communication platforms like Zoom, Microsoft Teams, and Google Meet. Users can arrange, meet, discuss, and follow up in a smooth, linked workflow using these platforms' connections with cloud calendars, cloud drives, and collaboration suites. Even in scenarios of worldwide usage, cloud computing allows fault-tolerant systems that, in the event that one data center goes offline, rapidly spin up new servers or reroute connections, guaranteeing little disturbance. Number 3. Mobile apps. The majority of the logic and data in mobile applications, whether they are consumer-facing or enterprise-grade, are processed in the cloud rather than locally on the device because they are usually built as thin clients. Consider applications such as Instagram, Google Maps, Uber, and mobile banking systems. These applications submit queries to cloud-based APIs, which manage everything from data retrieval and real-time changes to user authentication and transaction processing. For instance, when you launch a meal delivery app, databases stored in the cloud are accessed to retrieve the list of restaurants in your area, their menus, delivery schedules, and user reviews. Cloud communication channels like Firebase or Twilio also allow for real-time order confirmations, delivery tracking, and in-app messaging. Since the logic, processing, and analytics are all done in the cloud, the app itself is frequently only a front-end interface. This enables developers to change features and address faults without users having to download a new version of the app. Because of the cloud's enormous processing capacity and scalability, these back-end systems also incorporate machine learning models for fraud detection or recommendation engines, real-time analytics dashboards, and user activity tracking. Number 2. Smart home devices. Cloud computing is nearly essential to the efficient operation of smart home ecosystems. Devices with sensors and thin software that transmit and receive data to and from the cloud include Philips Hue lights, Google Nest, Amazon Alexa, and Ring doorbells. Your voice is captured locally when you say, "Hey Alexa, turn down the lights," and then sent to the cloud, where it is processed by sophisticated machine learning models and natural language processing engines that decipher your meaning. After that, the device or collection of devices receives the relevant command in real time. AI algorithms located on the cloud gradually learn your tastes and behaviors to automate tasks like turning off the lights at night or adjusting the thermostat before you go home. In order to preserve user settings, firmware updates, and condition awareness across all linked devices, these devices depend on continuous connection with cloud servers. Since security is a top concern, cloud-based identity services are used to verify and encrypt data from smart home devices. The current smart home would simply not be possible without cloud infrastructure's processing power, device compatibility, and worldwide scale. Number 1. Online shopping. E-commerce as we know it wouldn't exist without cloud computing. Cloud infrastructure powers every part of the online shopping experience, from product searches and reviews to order placement and real-time shipment information. Platforms such as Amazon, Walmart, Shopify, and Alibaba manage everything from product listings and prices to stock availability and customer accounts using databases and services hosted in the cloud. Large volumes of user behavior data are used to train machine learning models in the cloud, which are then used to create recommendation engines that identify what should be purchased next. Cloud computing allows auto-scaling, which rapidly spins up extra servers to accommodate spikes in traffic during key sales occasions like Prime Day or Cyber Monday, avoiding crashes and poor load times. Another function made possible by the cloud is payment processing, which incorporates safe payment gateways that adhere to PCI DSS guidelines and employ tokenization to safeguard private cardholder information. Inventory management systems and cloud-connected IoT devices are used by warehouse fulfillment systems to track orders and optimize delivery routes after the sale. Cloud-based CRM solutions are also used to manage follow-up marketing campaigns, loyalty programs, refund processing, and real-time customer service via chatbots. These points demonstrate the profound integration of cloud computing into contemporary life, which powers everything from smart devices and business to communication and entertainment. If you liked our video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel.